all, we're back! We're back to unbox some parts that were sent over to us by our good friends from VMS Racing and ESR Performance. And it was made possible by Rock the Imports Pinas. Rock the Imports Pinas is your legitimate and official distributor of VMS Racing products dito sa Pinas. So, if you need any VMS Racing products, just get in touch with Rock the Imports Pinas. So, we have two boxes dito. Ito, set aside natin. Lagay muna natin dyan. Let's start with this one. Okay. And this is a quick release system. So, start na tayo. Let's unbox. When using a cutter, of course, practice caution and safety. Okay? So yan, start na. Open natin yung... So let's unbox. Jan. So, this is the assembly, the hub. But let's check what's inside the box first. So again, the usual brochures from VMS Racing. Ayan. Lagyan natin dyan. This one. Oh, Allen wrench. And yon, haha. Your VMS Racing sticker. Nice. Okay. So, let's put all of these in here first, and then eto na. What's in here? Okay. There. Now, here. This is the VMS Racing Quick Release Hub System. So this is your hub, and ito yung quick release assembly. So yung hub ay vehicle specific. This is specific for the EK 99 to 2000 chassis. Yan. And this is the quick release assembly. Okay, so I believe you can purchase this separately from each other, pero VMS Racing was kind enough to send us the whole system. Yan. Nice. Look at the craftsmanship on that. So nice. Look, this is made from high grade aluminum. Nice. Oh, unlock, lock. So I think the way this works, this is currently locked. So let me see, the way this works is you turn this, okay, then unlock this. Okay, put it back. Oh, this comes yeah, pre-greased. You can see that. And kaya sila nag-include ng Allen wrench kasi yan. You will have to use that to remove this first before you can install the hub doon sa sasakyan ninyo, sa inyong EK. So nice. So balik na natin. Okay. So then press, follow the direction, and okay, wait for it to click. Ayan, lock na yan. And see, walang any kind of slack. And here, since ano to, parang lens yung system niya, merong lock unlock button. VMS Racing added a place here where you can put your thumb, ganun, for grip, for additional grip. So it makes it very easy to lock and unlock. Look at that, it's so nice. Ganda, grabe. Can't wait ma-install na ito. So once again, thank you VMS Racing, there, ESR Performance, and of course Rock the Imports Pinas. So lagyan natin yung quick release hub dito. Let's just make sure it's not rolled over. Okay, like that. That's our quick release hub. Nice. Now, let's proceed with this one. Very excited about this one. This is the VMS Racing. Yan. Short shifter version 2 or generation 2 for your Honda B&D series. So, yan. Gunmetal colorway. So, it's a box. I am very excited about this one. I've always wanted one for the longest time. Okay. Okay. Dun 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 dun. So, okay. Tip lang. When unboxing, always assume it's disassembled. Everything is disassembled. That way, you always practice caution. So, it's inside the box. Of course, the brochure. And your VMS Racing sticker. Put that there. Then Allen wrench or keys there. Woo! I was so excited dito sa ating ayan. So naka-disassemble nga no. Tama. So everything is loose and disassembled. So yeah. Okay. And then ito. Yan. Okay. So, ito yung top part right there. And ito yung part that goes or that attaches to the shift linkage. It has some good weight to it and it's made of high quality aluminum as well. So, tingnan nyo. Okay, VMS Racing included the bolt, washer, spacer, everything that you need for this to be a bolt-on part. This part, okay. So this part, itong ball na ito yung nagde-determine how long or short the throw will be. So, if you move it higher, the throw becomes shorter. Pag binaba mo dito, the throw becomes longer. So, for now, i-install ko ito ng ganito. Parang default setting. So, yan. Nice! So nice. And then, eto naman yung top part. Okay. So, this will attach here. And this rod where you will attach your shift knob ay adjustable din. So, maluwag naman. Okay. So this version 2 nung shifter ni VMS, this was made to cater to those customers that requires a little bit more adjustment, room for adjustment. So pag kailangan nila ng more height, yan, this was made to allow them to adjust the shifter a little bit higher compared dun sa kanilang version 1. So VMS Racing, they actually listen to their customers. That's why, and this is the proof that they listen to their customers. They made this for their customers. Look at that. So nice. So try lang natin kabit ito dito. So yan. There are 3 yan, Allen screw heads dito that will serve as your locking. Okay. Check natin. So excited about this part. Actually, I'm excited about both. Okay, so that's how it looks like. There. Nice. So nice. Alright. Okay. So once again, ito yung, these are the parts that we unboxed today. VMS Racing quick release hub system. This is the hub. This is the quick release assembly right here, and VMS Racing short shifter version 2 or Generation 2 here, both in gunmetal colorways. So once again, thank you VMS Racing, ESR Performance, and of course Rock the Imports Pinas. Thank you for sending over these parts. And ang next stop natin, installation. So thank you for watching. Peace.